In today's video, I'm sharing with you something that I think we all enjoy doing. I think you like being creative or you probably wouldn't be here. But this is a real relaxing technique, and that is cutting up paper and gluing it down. I mean, cutting up paper and gluing it down. That's so relaxing. And what I've been doing with this, as you know, I have my art table paper. So let me share with you what I did with this particular piece of art table paper. I made a bunch of little houses. I cut them up into little houses and glued them down, and it was a lot of fun. Okay, so I have my viewfinder here, and I'm gonna just start finding some areas that I think would make an interesting little house. I mean, something like this would be really obvious, maybe, for a house. Kind of cute. But I'm not going to do that. It's just too predictable, I think. There's something about it that just doesn't, it's not as interesting as this, right? So I'm not going to do that either. I am going to just jump in and see what I can find. I'm always going to go for the flowers first because I love flowers. And I don't want these houses to be too terribly big. So that one's kind of cute. I do like that. I mean, this, it looks kind of predictable too by putting something in the center at the top, but maybe I'll do it off to the side so it doesn't look so predictable maybe. I think that's cute right there. So I'm just gonna jump right in and start cutting it up. So I'll cut the majority of them out, like houses and rectangles, and then I'll save the roofs, which will be the triangles, for the end, because I'll sort of piece together what I have left over. And I'm not gonna do the whole thing, so that's what I'm telling myself, but we'll see what happens. Okay, that's it for today. I really appreciate you watching my video. I appreciate you subscribing. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me.